We got earthworms. We got slaters. We got springtails. Heck, we've even got nematodes. Yes, these funky creatures are a part of our Life Rocks board game, where you can learn all about the soil and how it is totally alive with all sorts of action. And you can get this as a part of our Soils Education Kit, which also comes with our Life Rocks book and a whole heap of other funky things, so you can do your own experiments, learn all about the soil. You get $99 worth of Life Rocks materials, the back to school price $49.95. Well, hot damn, if that ain't a bargain, I don't know what is. Follow the link for more information.